Nemcha Kipgen ma deputy chief minister pam tharo aduga mahaki mapuroiba kene pigine du chingba ma su yauna mai kadar sing phaga damni makoi taru harpada makoi yam chaw chene habi wafam silai masdane ja khogi Nemcha Kipgen mahak election lepakpa hoi khogi representation of people's act 1951 dabudi mahaki mapuroiba magi family nungli adu da yengadamni habudi yaw budi nate mak aseng budi personal mak masalo ka amna criminal case like the ko to badu makhadi pallaga su ngasagi magi nupa hai betare kene pi gi chairman oriba thangboy Kipgen masi asugumba organization amada am chawba role ama lawraga lere adu iba taragadi mahakna magi khudsi kogi governance yarok pa yana ba political da magi khud thingin me yana ba mahaki nupi ji election da thadora kanda mantri oina ba khona rakpa adusu kulai paiba group na kulai pare ga dum hen khabra haibasi housing sima yam chum tam hangna pai batare ado ibu taraga di ja khogi ngasagi representation of people's ek makada sugumba magi family tra mai kwaina na mi du sugumba gi arm group amada yawba na to chingbu oi taraga di masi matungda sugumba koi manipur thoiba sumai thokna ba miyeng changbagi tangai fadaba ga leira bra kaina mayam hena bi yawre ja kamaini yeng bi ja
sigi kaino ni akhoi representation of people act di sigi di yawde yawse mongonda section 123 da corrupt practitioner ko adai da ma yawe adu maksu hujiki posting jamte I da wai da adna masi amna tricky oiba kaino ni adubu masi fundamental ti akhoi na yeng matam da constitution gi lens ma thala yeng ba di masi ya da por kha yawe ba ko ai ga argument ji kaino ni based on two kind of haitare point da ko ahana point da akhoi gi Nemcha Kipgen gi matang se thamjani si akhoi gi administrative law ko akhoi law gi branch man administrative law si constitution gi branch ne lor su constitution na ta ne mon yaw si administrative law gi si da akhoi na thengna bada akhoi gi magi legal maximum ani le si gi legal maximum ani si now this is a part of article 14 19 and 21 oire sigi maxim se mas natural justice ki principle ni ahana principle da kari haino ha kanda khoi gi nemo debit aduna ani suboi ni ahan bada khoi odi alterum partem koi odi alterum partem ke mate here the other side have haidi both sides should be heard both the parties should be heard and decide the dispute have party ani mago taraga dispute to decide to any kano do contention to decide to haibani da adu makudi kai den lawr se khoina adu masigi ani su principle karino ha kanda nemo debit is propria cosa koi si athana kaino ha kanda no one cannot be judged in his own cause judge should be above suspicious the principle of impartiality koi judge the neutral we don't know adu I do lakho matam sida mana minister ama oiraga natraga kaino ma oiraga mana ngasai neutral oina mana oiba yaduri bra no one cannot be judged in his own cause kodam hai ai gi court aina judge oire khan matam da ai icha gumba ai nupi gumna mai mathak to crime aina lepoy this is the akhoi gi hujiki second principle do nemo debit is propria causa so lai ne adu gi po ni even okin bok ta magi relative ki okin oi bok ta tawna de tor se okin di adu tawna bote kaino kan hayang phak tar kari tawna ri ne bako ana adu gi adai potu lakpa da hayang contentious ba issue da magi husband involved to ba nata law and order gi nata national kano gi khoi gi security state ki leina ko adu ma lakpa da mana neutral una to bungam gadra haibasima adu ma la ani ko adai du ni phakta ai mana pai ba sai ministerial post tu madu magi husband du na kaino haibada mana sataba ngam gadori bra leina ko adai du yengna bada nemo debit is propria cosa du swe adagi di khara kupsala ga sin katang kupe ad masi su khoi da case to yani to da yani akhoi gi article 164 sa suki matik maru oire 164 gi 1 sima maru oire adu budi oja mai bon nga sai khara aina ta bada haibi khre article 164 1 karino kai hai ganda chief ministers shall be appointed by governor and other ministers shall be appointed by the governor on the advice of chief minister and minister hold the office during the pleasure of governor aduna takpadi minister ki portfolio piba minister hapa isi hapa budi governor hapni that also on advice of the chief minister aduna takpadi lokthok podusu chief minister advice oidune mi ma drop tawra si edu aduna reshuffle tawre on thoi on tawri se center ki su sigi state ki chu all are depend on chief minister na because of so and so reason the reason pi dasu si matam drop tawre man se lage si chief minister masai power neba by virtue of constitution ki article 164 wangi matung adai du lakpa ad aina haijai na 164 ki clause number 3 sina kaino hakanda council ministers are collectively responsible haibane council ministers collectively responsible ne government ki aduna mase council minister ki part amane he is a part of council minister aduna ma bu liable oiba ma bu man to thabaka thajada basi whole council ministers in go bera like this including chief minister is the head of the council minister aduna council minister collective responsibility da kaitang bera lai phari phai phatrakanda ade amana simade amaru ere sina 164 gi clause na mangsa haiduna 2 ni 1 haijagre ko 2 haigre ko 2 dun collective responsibility 3 mu la asi 3 se ka ma gi ai si par gi si da ngai jane before a minister enter upon his office governor shall administer to him means including her also the oath of office and of secrecy according to the form set out for in the third schedule yaw matungna mongon the port ani lawdure ministers oibase MLA dam khak lawni minister de ani lawne amana kai kauge ha kanda oath of office hai de hainin bhairo siri maru oidi ma constitution ji ille sakani haire aduga sovereignty integrity india nga kani haire ngasai gi magi husband na lairiba dol dugi magi constitution da suspension operation sign tawno this different thing ni magi constitution of kari kene p wari bu ko presidential fraction pera adu dugi my constitution da india da gi thugaira ga kukilen semni kari jokham nungkham semni yauromadi sovereignty integrity india uphold tawni hai man lo yadre ko adani so yaum dagdi phai manipur dagi te akoi union territory ma phai tawna ba launa ba hodani hai du yai india banunda kukilen semgani hai yaurom bagadi india to khana tani sede anu yaurom bada yadre mai se oro office bera la minister gi adu lora kanda discharge my duties minister adu laire I will do right to all manner of people according to the constitution India kind constitution India gi amasung law gi matungina ai gi people sing ma phana ba tawni hai huji su phana ba tawri bro ma ju adu si ma bera le ko sai si le si makti kharang phari defend to su ai ba ko last am yauri order of secrecy hai na sai na order office hai man minister office gi yare mathang si di order secrecy aba government minister of secrecy ma maintain tawdure ba sidam ya hai Sida yam yare not directly indirectly communicate or reveals to any person of any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister adu mayam yare hai man hai tok pa yadaba minister gi confidential na secrecy thonga po kha yare ba hai di security solak ba hai di naharon si security sok tro naharon hai si di india gi security solka dori ni adagi defense gi solka doi ni internal security port laktoi ni law and order gi laktoi ni adagi sovereignty unity of india laktoi ni kangno mase nuksinaba lakadoi ni adagi offense against state ki port lakadoi ni hogi terrorist ni hainari dana terrorist is offense against state lakadoi ne terrorist ICD they are called enemy under the army act is section 2 para number clause number x ki matungina terrorists are the enemy of the state india ki enemy ni muji ini jaga kapu hai bane ba asan ek to jawbani shap ek to jawbani aduna takpadi enemy duga maga pulliyo nada enemy du terrorist enemy duga maga imung da tuminari imung da chaminari leidana phone da phaunari hojikti face to face na tene hojikti virtual world ne hojikti nakta ga tang hangdoga adum akhoi gi smart board ti ibasu ya khot basu mutha basu ya loi mi thon basu ya sida nungai re hangti dum virtually thengna ya doi ne ba 24 hour adu potu lai banina nasai ma order of secrecy du da kari tauri sine ba and order of secrecy ga otu so ga di 194 mu samna ya doi 194 na house privilege to bodo aduna 194 kawi parliament ne 105 kawi 194 amu samba ya ne speaker ne action bu law ya doi ni and siki procedure law na da bai ta ma faida setpa adu I aduna logi wani adoma taw high court ta speaker ra se ga thagra se thada su chief minister na mc bera le khoi khang tau jani masi acho bera le me now big bera is there aduna matam khoi drop tawrage khar potharo be ma amu hapage na haporo taw su aduga sepes we di khoi gi oza session high bi do maina moral ground bu leite su phajabe wani moral ground mana sana toksarage na tokpa sepes we di ma gentleman ni na ko gentlemen including gentle lady ni na tok thok pari phai to gadi mayam su अखोद कॉन्फिडेंस हम लाए एस योने खतंग चाहिबदा खतंग ngangnabada masana tu ine yam phaba mini ne khanganeba ko on safest way di ma masa mungna handok sab khongphom handok bayo hajaw meteronda khongphom handoga ai potha jari matam khargi wena I will keep silent for some time while and troga sinus log ya antara mim tum potha ga le ga di bani ko adu badu tawdra we have no idea tawdabu this is the first time in the history of India akhogi kainogi magi militant natraga akhogi terrorist ki leader amagi nupi minister ga oidra adu chu deputy ga oidra tawriba manipur sham nungai ba leibak nin lobo tare adu mi mayam ko cham cham hat nate maka ga multilateral body phangi kai yam nungai taw hai tare adu naina khambada sumbasi hakpa sarak piom change adu ga masi thigat piro thigalaga genetic test kai jam kuiroida hojikti am chakholamina second khada mini khada taw haja da maximum 5 day go change heaven adu genetic test taw kainum te sigibano adu photo piro adu ga demand budi demand kya moi ta demand mari chapter demand adu abrogation of su kharwani adu arrest tawba adu ga moi mayam du prosecute tawga dandi pibam thui sagai thabak ne pirani adu kene bi terrorist organization lauk thu hauju pukta adu di line uk ne ba adu su da yaw do lauk thok pi de anu masi su lauk thok chumen khale adu memja kipje thamjagre demand sing yam strong oi ba yam phaba demand ngakani tawba dabu demand will be always demand when it's not turned into work tawdra kana adu unc gi magi guts adu unc gi shakti UNC mayam thajaba thamudu handaki matang jain samada we are testing UNC the test tawduni maji khabra adu thumbra yengduni adu UNC na akhoi manipur da demand only last for 7 days maximum 7 days ata chatle adu demand ji swai mangre adu demand taw mi ju mangre adu UNC de tawdu mande we believe in UNC sigi phajara demand sing si phangbo sinu tawdu UNC na mamai lega chinba जीव सिंह ओरमगदी उपाय सोलेती इन थमजग